Okay, this video is about how to install the worm gear into the magnet side cover. So this is the magnet side cover of the 5-speed. I've already installed certain things. It usually doesn't come with this part, so I installed that. So it's very important that you install it correctly, because if it is not correctly installed, it won't work properly. So if you can see, there are like small cuts, okay, and similarly the gear also has those kind of cuts. So what you need to do is you need to place it in 11 o'clock position and it goes in. Okay, so you need to see if it is sitting flush. It will be like maybe a millimeter out. So the reason why we put it in the 11 o'clock position is, if you see this, it is at a weird angle. So if you fix it like this, like how this is how it is fixed. So when it turns, it will turn in this direction and maximum it will come and hit here. Okay, so that is how much it can trap. So that is the reason why it needs to be fixed in a 11 o'clock position. Okay, so again, this in the 11 o'clock position, place it in the 12 o'clock position, slightly turn it, it will come and sit flush. Now you install this part. This you need a hammer to tap it into place. Okay, so once it is slightly tapped, you need to tap it a little further so that it is about, there is 1 mm sticking out. Doing these things on the bed is not advisable. So presently wife is watching something on TV, so I better be quick. Okay, so once it is seated, you can just and crank it to see it is sitting perfectly in the position. So this is the maximum which it should go, like not beyond this, because if it goes beyond this, then it will hit here, so that doesn't do any good. Okay, so I'm going to lock it into place so that it doesn't come out. So what you do is you put the screwdriver on one of the edge, hit it. So as you can see, I have put couple of cuts. All I need to do is just bend it on this side. So what I do is I use the same screwdriver on the edge. You don't need this to be held very tightly. You just need to make sure that it doesn't come out when the bike is running. So a little bit of this is fine. Okay, so now it won't come. It is kind of fixed. So yeah, that's how you install the worm gear. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, then consider subscribing. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.